Next thing we're going to do is we're going to stretch out our hamstrings. Anybody here have any lower back pain? Okay, so lower back pain usually comes because either your hamstrings are too tight or your glutissimus Kardashian and maximus hasn't been stretched out enough. So, it's a technical term. Look it up. What? You don't lie. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to peck for some seeds like a bunch of chickens, and it's going to stretch out our hamstrings. So everybody go like this and go, and now let's peck. Everybody goes peck, 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 peck. Good. Now just nice and easy. I don't care if you go down all the way or halfway, as long as you feel your hamstrings. Kind of like when you blow up a balloon at a party. What's the first thing that happens? They stretch it out so you don't pop it. Okay, good. Now we're going to stretch out the other part, and we're going to pick some bananas like a bunch of monkeys. They're going to make a monkey noise. Go, woo-hoo! And we're going to go pick, pick, pick as far as you want to stretch. Everybody go peck, 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 pick, 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 peck, 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 pick, 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 peck, 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 pick, pick, pick. Anybody do this optical illusion? See how you do it? So what you do is you pull your finger in, and then it looks like that. And the kids laugh. It's hysterical. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.